Today's video is all about blood flow to your penis. If you want to increase your blood flow, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know what you will do in order to increase your blood flow. So it is all about how and what you will do to increase your blood flow. So my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe today and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. How are you going to increase your blood flow as a man? What you need to do are very simple things, but apart from taking good food, exercise on daily basis, and abstain from drinking alcohol and smoking of cigarettes or even drug abuse, if you can avoid drug abuse and all these things that I mentioned earlier, it will help you to increase your blood flow. But that is not for today's video. Today's video is for fruits that will increase your blood flow to your penis. What are the fruits? The fruits are three. These three, see how to get results from these three fruits after your dinner. That is your night meal. After you have finished eating your night meal, relax for about 30 minutes. Relax for about 30 minutes. After relaxation, then consume these three fruits. These three fruits will help you to increase blood flow to your penis. And these three fruits, not only that they will increase your blood flow, they will make you to stay hydrated. And once you are hydrated as a man, that is when you will perform well as a man. So what are these three fruits? Number one is carrots. Consume carrots after your meal. It will increase your blood flow naturally. Number two is watermelon. Consume watermelon 30 minutes after your meal. It will also increase your blood flow. The final is cucumber. Cucumber is a very nice fruit. Besides, it has no sugar and it is perfect to increase blood flow. So these are the three most important fruits. If you really want to increase your blood flow, these are the three most important fruits that you will consider taking after your dinner. So after your dinner, consume these three fruits 30 minutes after your dinner. Do not take any of these fruits immediately after your dinner because it might cause you stooling or it might cause you constipation. But for you to perform well, consume these three fruits after your dinner. So that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video to people you think that might need this very video. Share this video to them and see you in my next video. I wish you good luck. Have a nice day. Bye.